Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000, men's grooming kit with trimmer for beard, head, hair, body, groin, and face. No blade oil needed. MG 791049. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 provides stainless steel precision with 19 tools and accessories for a perfect beard, hair and body trim. The precision trimming guard allows you to select length settings in 0.2 mm steps from 1 to 3 mm for a precise trim to the exact length you want. The additional 3 to 7 mm adjustable comb provides even more grooming options for a customized look. The Smart Beard Sense technology scans beard density 125 per second and boosts power exactly when you need it to tackle dense, bushy or long beards. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades remain sharp as day one for long-lasting performance, no oil required. Features body combs for body and intimate grooming. The steel frame and rubber grips deliver superior control and the lithium-ion battery yields 5 hours of runtime. USB-A charging cable included, wall power adapter not included. Includes 1 steel trimmer, 1 adjustable wand. Recommended uses for product: face, beard, nose, eyebrows, sideburns, neck, hair clipping, body, chest, abs, groin, legs, back. Color: silver. Hair type: all. Item weight: 0.94 pounds.